Hey everyone, so this is another design with Tammy. So this is our 12 days of Christmas designs. So today it is candy cane and we are doing Shemodern. Now I haven't used my Shemodern in a long time, so it doesn't come out perfect. I'm just warning you now. And plus I went down today and I kind of used their sanitizer stuff to sanitize the shopping basket, and like my hands swollen up, so it's really sore. So I do try my best. But yeah, I'm a bit out of practice. So I did paint all the nails. Well, I started painted the pink nail white, and I actually changed it to green, and the thumbnail is going to be red. So I'm just going to stick some music on and we'll come back at the end and have a look how it looks. Okay, see you on the other side. Bye. Okay, so this is the finished design here. I told you that I did mess it up a bit. I tried my best. I haven't used it in so long. I really, really need to practice a bit more with it. I think I've kind of got a little bit out of touch. But this is what it looks like. I do add a candy cane charm from Charlie's. So don't forget my discount code from Charlie's Nail Art. It's always in my description box of all my videos, plus all my other discount codes. I do have one for iMelee as well. So let me know your thoughts down below on how this turned out. I know it's not perfect, but hopefully you still like it. And please don't forget to go over and check out Tammy's video. Her design is beautiful. And we do hope you are enjoying our collab so far. There's not many left to go. This is number... I can't remember what number it is now. Oh, I can't remember. It's number... Oh, it's number 10. So anyway, yes, let me know down below your thoughts. Don't forget to head over and check out Tammy's video. I will leave it linked below. And yeah, hopefully you will join us tomorrow. Until then, take care and hopefully we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.